sure to stay in still. If you get somewhere skinnier, you have to bounce even more. Howden!
Hi everyone, welcome to O'Rourke's Littlefield. Is Sunday morning. You can hear the neighbors sawing away on trees, and we are going to be, well, not we, Kevin and our youngest son Reese are going to hammer away at the trees that are down just a little bit. I don't want them working in a whole lot of extensive heat. It's just, you know, we don't care. It's not worth killing yourself. And we're gonna keep the grandchildren. We're getting all three of them until tomorrow. We'll take them back home tomorrow. Their babysitter got to go on an adventure. And so I'm excited for her. I hope she has a good time. That's the other grandma. Yeah, Kevin's loading up that big old mess that he had already stacked up. He's already hauled one load. Kevin, how you like those high sea boots you're wearing?
I feel safe in it.
Yeah?
Don't have to worry about snakes getting me.
I can't believe that's the second load.
Yep.
And you already hauled a load before you took that last load. The other day you hauled a load, right?
This is the third one, and we still got.
Look at all that, y'all. And I just know the rest of that tree's probably diseased. I need to go talk to somebody. And here's our helpers.
Of the universe inside of me, help me beat the shit out of my ego, please. Sunset and the time between them. Let us stay forever young and never die. Forever together. La la la. There ain't no end of time. La la la. One universe on mine.
You do? A 6-pack?
Hey, 2-pack.
A 2-pack? Yep.
I told you.
Woo, I see your abs too. Hurry up. Ooh wee.
So
wow.
hollow.
Careful now.
It's so hollow.
Hey, Hudson, be careful. Come on, let's ride in the wagon. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I might have a prize in the house.
You have a prize?
I might have a prize in the house.
That's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna sit like this.
It's videoing now, so wherever you're looking, it's recording.
Hey, Hudson. How are you? Good.
All aboard.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. This is the king. Make sure to have a good time. I'm just not a king, just pretending. Make sure to have a good time. Whee! Hayden, have a good time. Whee, this is fun. Hold on to your bum. Hold on tight onto your bum. Are we going inside? No, we're going to the house. Right around. Hey, I'm taking a video of the car now. Whoa, those are crazy tools.
This is what is left after Reese and Kevin, Daddy and Peepaw, right? After they worked on it, I guess until about 12:30. From about 9:30 to 12:30, they hammered it, and that was just the limbs, really. This is the big part, and we do have access to a log splitter, which we'll get probably in the next week or so. Just depends, but they did a good job. And I'm doing a video right now for YouTube. Boy, I don't need to take you to the ER. You won't ever get to come to Granny's again.
I'm sorry.
You're right. You jumped a minute ago.
To Mr. Beast. And make sure to say this in a picture if you like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast!
Today, I worked on my haul from the auction. This is resin. These are resin. I like the little collie. Now this is a big ceramic puma. He has a little chip right here, unfortunately. But he's really cute. Sorry to all of you men out there that are not interested in pretties and things I have. These are some of the things that I'm going to be selling, and not necessarily all of them will make it into the store. I have to age some of these things. I don't want anything really new, and like these are pretty new. Are those not the strangest things you've ever seen? This says on here, I don't have my glasses on. It says, hello, I need you now. Those are so strange to me. This is plastic stuff right here, like right here. I'm probably gonna let the grandkids, have the little resin dogs to play with, unless I find out that, they're worth some money. But these are all the glass. I have pink and gold spaghetti poodle with the glass eyes. And I think that these are a really, really cute pair. But y'all looky. They didn't spare nothing to the imagination on that little pair right there. And I don't know who made them. Isn't this a lovely little lefting piece right here? But I have the dogs. I didn't get all the dogs. There was a lot of dogs. Look at this. I have this spaghetti dog. This is very old Japan. See the puppies? I've not seen that. Some of these things will be a little new for me to sell. And some of them will be used for decorations. Look at these little bitty birds, y'all. Look at that. I love those. This is a plastic horse. Mid-century modern cats, older cats. These are older cats right here. These are from Brazil. These are good mid-century cats. If you see anything, now these are Enesco bears. They're the only thing I'm keeping out of that flat that had the bears in it. And I don't know, these won't go in there, but I'm probably gonna sell them some way. But look at this, really pretty. I'm gonna say that's Burmese glass cat. This is a bobblehead cat frog. This is chalk. And I believe that these are the things, it was a carnival prize from a long time ago. I like the glass cat. It's just Taiwan. Hand painted by Ralph. Some of these things y'all have seen, some you've never seen. These are really strange cats and they do sell good. I think these are a precious pair and they're really heavy. I got a little chip here on this ear. This is a string holder and you've got your scissors here and there's old string in the back and you can hang it on the wall. So then you can just reach up and pull your string. If you're tying up things, meat, wrapping presents. This is just, I love this face. Look at this face. Look at his long neck and the flowers. I've not nailed down who the maker is. If you know, let me know. Tell me in the timestamp. And this, of course, is a beautiful mauve Hager. And I really like this. It's a little bank, and it's not old. But it's a good bank. I think it was like something British. I don't have my glasses on. Da-da-da, again. And I love this. Look on the back. It's a vase. But is that just not the cutest little pile of kittens? And I think that that's really got some age to it. I really do. And of course, these cats, they have a name and there's a lady that makes them. And I don't know her name right now. I can't seem to remember anybody's name. 2 chic razors. This one right now is 49 bucks on eBay. Can't believe somebody buy an old used razor. This is a cat frog. This is a pair. This is a pair. I love that cat. That's 1980s Universal Sanctuary. And this big guy, unfortunately, has a chipped ear. Look at how pretty. I'll put that in the shop. It'll be one of the staples of the decor of the shop. This is a Walt Disney piece. Yeah, it's a pretty good variety. I have a few things that are outside that are the yard resin stuff that I don't care for at all. And I want y'all to check out some of these faces. Look here.
So turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for relief. even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun. Set aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind. Simmer down, settle back and mess around. Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through. Today I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone. Be the cat in the sun. Be the cat